What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Naya. So if you guys are new here, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Naya, and if you aren't new here, welcome back, Naya babes. So as you guys seen by today's title, today we're gonna be bleaching our hair. Nah, I'm just playing. We're not bleaching our hair. We're gonna be turning our hair blonde without bleaching our hair. Here we go. So in today's video, we're gonna be having this. This is how we're gonna bleach our hair without the bleach. So if you guys have seen any of my previous videos, these are the ones that I'm talking about. Hello. If you guys have seen any of my previous videos, I have a video on how to remove hair dye without bleach. I have a video on dyeing my hair, well, turning my hair blonde without dye. I forgot the name of it. I did it about a year or two ago. But this is what we're gonna be using. Let me let y'all see this, ginger blonde. And this is how all the products look. Let's see what we have. So we have gloves, developer, applicator, and some other stuff. But I have never done this before. This is my first time, just a disclaimer. But we're gonna see how it goes together.
You is for you and me.
So the first steps I'm told to do is to put on my gloves. And then after I put on my gloves, it's telling me to do something with the applicator. So let's see. Period. Okay, that is conditioner. This is oil for my hair. Okay, so before I shake it, I need to cut. Okay, guys, so it's so hard trying to do a YouTube video and a TikTok video. Make sure y'all go check out today's TikTok video because the transitions are crazy. Y'all, I'm capping. They probably like not even all that. But first, let me take this rubber band out my head. I don't want to touch anything yet. No, I'm gonna go section my hair and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. So I parted my hair like this because this is gonna be blue. This is gonna be blue. And then this is gonna be brown. So I wanna bleach it differently. So first, of course, we're gonna start with the back section. So I have whatever I need, my applicator. I'm starting the back because I feel like the back is gonna be the most hardest because it's the back. So I'm not gonna start at my roots, but I'm gonna section it. Do one side first, one side second. Yeah, I'm kind of nervous. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna cap. But it's too late. It definitely smells like bleach. Whatever this stuff is. I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm done. So you guys, I just finished the back. I don't know if I put enough. I hope I did, but I'm about to start on the top section now. I'm gonna part this into smaller parts. On like the back section. So I put it everywhere. It's already starting to change color, so I'm about to go hurry up and put something over it, and I'll be back. So I'm just gonna keep this clear shower cap on for about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. So it's been about 20 minutes, and I think I'm ready to take it off. I can kind of see how bright it's gotten underneath this cap, but I have not looked under it except for when I just peeked under it before I got off camera. So let's see. Okay, it's looking like it did its job. I was really nervous that I was gonna miss like a lot of spots. Don't look like I have. Don't look like I did, rather. Yeah, I think I got it all. So now it's time to do my roots. Yes, y'all, you see it. You see it. I'm gonna get back with you guys when I finish doing my roots. So you guys, if you can hear my fan, don't mind it. It's my fan. But you guys, I am officially done. I hope I got like everything. Okay, so you guys, I just checked my hair and there is still a few spots that I need to redo. So I'm about to go do that now. Okay, so I'm back and I've gotten all the parts that I felt were needed to be touched up. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. But I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.